Apple recently announced their newly launched devices, including the most talked about budget laptop, the Apple MacBook Neo. Yes, this is the new MacBook Neo that is going to cost around 70,000. Of course, it's Apple, so 70,000 is budget for them. But let's talk about the device itself. The MacBook Neo comes with the A18 Pro processor, the same processor you get in iPhone 16 Pro series, but the GPU and CPU cores are little different. Now, power is decent, it actually compatible with M2. The display is 13-inch IPS LCD. Good thing is it has anti-reflect coating, but still 60 Hz. And another big disappointing thing is that the laptop does not have any backlit keyboard. Yes, a 70,000 laptop targeted for students and it does not have backlit support. Also, the trackpad is very basic. It's not like the vibration trackpad you get with the M series. Now, the playback time is decent, 16 hours of audio playback. That's okay, but the charging port is what, only two ports and one of them is USB 2. Why it, they can't give you two USB type C generation 3? And the variants, oh, what the hell, it has two variants, 8 GB and 256 GB, and 8 GB with 512 GB. I will tell you, just go for the base variant because it costs 70,000. And if you are thinking going with the higher variant with extra 256 GB of storage and you get the touch ID for extra 10,000 rupees, let me tell you that if you add another 10,000, then for 90,000 you get the 13-inch MacBook Air M4, and that is far superior in every way possible. One thing is noticeable, that you get a student discount of 10,000 with the Neo. So if you can apply that, then you can go with the 512 GB variant. It will cost you similar as to 56 GB. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos.